prayer song. Good morning everyone. Today's Bible portion is taken from Jacob and after happy troubled. Reading Amen. Now Lord's Prayer, repeat the prayer after Joshua Fion. Now Lord's Prayer, repeat the prayer after me. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. The thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, the Father and Amen. Amen. I call Jenna to deliver today's thoughts for the day. Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is parent of two. Thank you. Thank you, Jenna, for your beautiful thought. Now, Rachel is here to present the Tirukural for the day. வணக்கம். இந்தியா திருக்குறள் செல்வத்து செல்வம், செவி செல்வம், அச்செல்வம், செல்வத்துள் எல்லாம் தலை நன்று. Thank you, Rachel. Now, Tiana is here to present the vocabulary for the day. Good morning, everyone. Today's vocabulary is read. Read. I love to read books. Thank you. Thank you, Gianna. Now Hannah is here to present the interesting facts. Good morning, everyone. Today's interesting facts is fingernails grow faster than toenails. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am a doctor. I diagnose illness and treat sick person. I am a community helper. Thank you. Good morning to all. Do you know who am I? I am a nurse. I wear white uniform, cap, socks and shoes. I take care of the people who are sick. I do medicine and injections to make patients. I check chemist. Also, I work with the doctor in the hospital. I am bound to serve the mankind. Thank you. Good morning,